So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can find the free available games on the Epic Game Stores. Like, if you know, many of the games have been paid over the software, so some of the games are available on their freer version as well, so you can search for the freer games as well over the platform. For them you don't need to pay any amount to purchase the game. That games are available for free. So first of all you have to do is to first open the Epic Game Stores launcher on whatever platform you are using. For example, if I open it on my Windows PC, now you are going to see the home page of this platform, as you have been familiar with this. Now to find a game you have to go to the option of browse. When you click over there, now you are in the browse window. Now from over the right window over there, you have to scroll down and find the right window over there. You can see it's just right there. Here you have to apply some filters in order to find the free games. First of all, let me just reset this filter. Now in order to find the free game, I have to go to the option of this price section over there. Just simply click over there, and here you can see the option of free over there. Once you click there and apply this, now this is going to be automatically applied. Now all the games that you have been seeing there are available for free, and you can download those games from Epic Game Store for free without paying any amount to the game. Like, if I open this game, and now here you can see I can directly get this game, as it is of 760 rupees, 780 rupees, but now all the amount has been discounted and this game is available for free. Some of the most famous games are also available for free on this stores, like the game you have been heard of, Fall Guys. This game also available for free on this store. You don't need to pay any amount to to play this game. This game is, like you can see, it's free. So by this method you can easily apply the filter to find the free games over the Epic Game Stores platform. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.